MT82 wine. Our first stop this morning is we're gonna go snag some Panera coffee. Got to get my morning subscription in. Best deal there is. It's not the best coffee, but like $9 for unlimited coffee every 2 hours. Can't beat it, man. I just needed to wake up. Gotta get that Panera. Everybody, I'll have you know, I went to get my Panera, and the roads are much wetter than I normally would drive the Boss. So I do this for you guys. So drop a like just for that, and we're gonna get going. This thing sounds so good. Ooh, she's gonna spin a bit, but we'll see how she does. Oh yeah, spinning a lot. No grip, not doing it. Not worth it. There we go. That's all you get, guys. The roads are too wet. I still need those new tires. We're gonna order probably some sticky Mickeys here soon. Could be using this guy. That'd be good, eh? I love the way this car sounds. It sounds so good. Yep, the Boss is coming up for an oil change. I gotta order some plugs for it, and we get the sticky Mickeys in here if we're gonna get them ordered. Hopefully I'll have it done before the end of October, but we'll see. I'd like to take the car to the track and race another local YouTuber who just picked up a stock A10 3-gen Coyote. And the numbers are pretty close down the strip on the quarter, so I think it'd be a fun race. Yep, that's the plans moving forward. So far I'm a big fan of this GoPro 9. Kind of tested it out the other day also with the Fox body a little bit. You guys will see some of that footage here soon. But man, it's a quality camera. The video input is fantastic, and I can just I mean, it's a huge upgrade from the 5 I was using. I'm still going to use the 5 for some action shots and stuff like that, but it's nice to have a nicer quality camera to vlog on, and you know, just bring you guys the better quality cinematic content. So I'm excited to get some cinematic stuff in there, and maybe I can get some squeezed in here at the end. Sounds so freaking good, man. Man, I'm coming up on 5 years of ownership for this car, and still stock tune. And I still love driving it, man. It still feels new to me. I'm happy every time I'm in this car, man. I hate to say it like this. I've had this car almost twice as long as I had my last 05 GT, and just it's a night and day difference in the feeling you get when you drive this vice the GT. Tell you what though, the weather predictors suck today because they said 1% chance of rain. I've already driven through some rain, so I guess they said there was a chance. Ooh, there's a got one that way. Ready? Oh man. Got a CTSV up there. Is he gonna send it? Let's see if he sends it. Nah, not sending it. We will though. Exhaust leak I'm gonna have to fix. One of the clamps isn't quite up to snuff. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just testing out my new GoPro Hero 9 Black. Definitely impressed with the camera so far. I think the video quality is definitely an upgrade for the channel, and I'm excited to keep doing videos with it and to use the GoPro 5 for some more action shots, give us more angles. And I think we're gonna have a good time, guys. So if you like that video, please click that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Brailsford Drives, guys. Take care. Run. Catch him, Maddox. Catch him. Maddox gets the truck. All right, guys. So today we were gonna test out the GoPro 9 with the cars. However, the weather is not supporting today for the car, so we're gonna take the boys. Come on, go. So instead, we're gonna take the boys to the park and let them play for a little bit, and then we'll take the car out in a little bit if the weather clears up. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Stability on this thing seems to be great, so hopefully it transpires that way to the computer. Let me know what you guys think.